Hey guys, what's up? This is Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Not the proudest moment right now. So basically the reason I'm bringing you guys this video is, as you can see, we messed up a hoodie. So this video is basically explaining to you guys why you should never do custom prints on clothing that's already been printed out by somebody else. So in this example, this is a $100 hoodie. It's an extra small for one of my clients' kid for hockey. He wanted the number 63 embroidered here. So we were trying to insert this hoop this way and no success. It made holes. So this is a video basically explaining to you guys you should never try to print on something that's already been printed on by somebody else, because this error, if not fixed, is going to cost me $100. So not only am I wasting time, I need to repair this error, and if I can't repair it, it's going to cost me $100, and I'm going to have a client that's going to be unsatisfied because his kid will not receive his hoodie and he'll have to order a new one. So he's going to have to go through the hassle of ordering a new one. Anyways, this video is not the proudest moment. We're going to try to fix this. If we fix it, I'll give you guys an update. If not, this was a learning lesson for everybody. Do not try to embroider on hoodies that already have been embroidered, because if you make an error like this, you can't just order another hoodie. So we're going to try to fix it, and if we can't, then this is a total loss, and I have lost $100, and not only that, I have lost time, and I've made a client unsatisfied. So learn from my errors, guys. And last thing, guys, if you are to embroider a hoodie, make sure the fabric isn't too thick so you can actually load your hoop, because this is what made the hole inside of the hoodie. I tried to load up a hoop, a smaller hoop like this, and by pressing it down, it made a hole. So I guess this is it's too thick to be able to embroider on it. So with the Brother SC1900 and the hoops, we weren't able to do it. So guys, do be careful when embroidering, because you can make a $100 mistake or more. So we took the time to sew underneath, so you can't see the finger anymore, so it looks okay. So right now what we're going to try to do is put a white print over it to try to cover the holes. We already talked to the client, he's informed of everything. He said to put white print over here, so I'm going to show you guys how it turns out. But the number one takeaway you can take from this video is to know, if ever you receive a hoodie, a t-shirt, whatever the case may be that a client wants you to print on, and it's already been printed, whether embroidered, vinyl, DTF, whatever the printing method may be, just make sure that you take a deposit and you inform the client that whatever the outcome of the product is, you will keep the deposit as an insurance, and you do not guarantee that the print will come out how the client wants, and that's a risk that she or he as the client needs to take. You as the print shop owner need to take every single measure you can to be able to scale your business and not take losses like this. Alright guys, so really quickly, here's the 3 holes that were there. Sorry for the lighting, but here and I believe here, yeah, so here, here, and here. So we covered it with a DTF print, so there's paint inside of the holes, and the actual holes have been sewn, so there shouldn't be any wear and tear. So now what we're going to do is, over this DTF print, we're going to vinyl print. So there's going to be a nice white coming out, and hopefully with these 2 prints, one over the other, it's going to block these little embroidery holes that we did. So let's hope for the best and prepare for the worst. So I hope this video was somewhat informative and helped you guys through your screen printing, DTF, vinyl, embroidery journey. And if ever you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.